Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we break down the best gear and gadgets that help you get more from your tech.
Today, we're diving into a product that's earned its title, the best phone tripod with flexible legs and a remote shutter. This is the UBeesize 12-inch flexible cell phone tripod stand. Let's jump right into it. At first glance, the UBeesize tripod looks like something out of a content creator's toolkit. But it's more than just looks. This 12-inch tripod is built for versatility. Those flexible, octopus-style legs. You can bend them, twist them, and wrap them around poles, trees, fences. Basically any surface you can imagine. That means you're not limited to flat ground anymore. Whether you're out in nature, at home, or in the middle of the city, this tripod is designed to go where you go. Now let's talk about stability. The legs are rubber-coated and feel incredibly sturdy. You can tell it's not one of those cheap plastic builds that lose balance the moment your phone vibrates. This one stays put. It even supports devices weighing up to 6.6 pounds, so it works not just for your smartphone but for DSLRs and even GoPros. The tripod head is made of metal, which is a big plus for durability. It features a 360-degree rotating ball joint in a U-shaped groove. This allows you to switch between portrait and landscape modes smoothly, or even face the camera downward if you're shooting top-down shots or overhead tutorials. There's also a built-in bubble level which helps you keep your frame straight, no matter how crazy the angle is. But what truly sets this tripod apart, especially for solo creators, vloggers, or group photographers, is the Bluetooth remote shutter. It connects wirelessly and allows you to take photos from up to 30 feet away. That's perfect for group shots, travel vlogging, or filming yourself without running back and forth to the camera every few seconds. It works seamlessly with both Android and iOS devices. Pairing is a breeze, and once connected, the shutter response is instant, no noticeable lag. Mounting your device is simple with the universal phone holder that stretches to fit most smartphones, including large ones like the iPhone XS Max. It grips securely and doesn't wobble, even during time-lapse or motion shots. Plus, if you're using a camera or GoPro, the tripod includes the right mount to get you started without any extra purchases. Let's talk real-world use cases. If you're someone who loves TikTok or Instagram Reels, this is your new filming buddy. Planning to start a YouTube channel? Mount your DSLR and start recording. Traveling and want a steady shot of a landscape or cityscape? Wrap it around a signpost or branch, hit the remote, and you're done. It's that kind of flexibility that makes this tripod feel like a professional-grade tool at a casual creator's price. But we're here to break it down from experience, and I can say that it absolutely delivers on durability, ease of use, and creative freedom. In short, if you're looking for a lightweight, sturdy, and versatile tripod for photography, videography, or social media content, the UBeesize 12-inch flexible tripod is a top-tier pick. It's travel-friendly, ultra-flexible, and beginner-friendly, yet good enough for more advanced users too. So that's it for this review. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more hands-on product breakdowns here at Product Critique. Got questions about this tripod or want to see how it stacks up against other models? Drop a comment below. Until next time, stay creative, stay steady.